Hi Mirza, I was going to show you the way I was testing the rollover functionality so you can see if I'm missing anything. So what I just did before this was I went through the whole process of requesting this student, accepting the request with a time, and then responding yes. So all that resulted in a match in home lesson, volunteer confirmation here, and the class was created. So to test the rollover functionality, I was going into the class, and I was editing the end date. Um, that way, if everything was working, I should, as the volunteer, receive the text messages to ask me if I want to roll over and all that. So um, I was changing the end date to 8 days from today. So if today is the 6th, I was doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And just, I don't know if it matters, but I was just going to move the start date prior to today. I don't think that would make any difference. But anyhow, my understanding is that once I did that, the test should go through because the trigger is written that once it's 8 days, end date is 8 days from today, that all should happen. I have to add that because it's a required field. Um, so that's my understanding of how I'm supposed to test. I also, wasn't sure if it should be 8 days including today or not including today. So I've tried both in different tests and nothing has happened. So definitely let me know if I'm missing something, and hopefully we can get this working soon. Thanks.